Ko tēnei wari, he wari mōna tamariki, he wari ako, he wari aroha. Parakuri has been supporting us. We've made lots of changes like tamariki learning how to recycle, and they're able to sort through our rubbish and put it into the appropriate bins. They know about why we do this process and how it impacts the world. In order for us to be sustainable, we've made a plan about creating our own kai. So we're in a decile 2 area and families are really struggling financially, so some of the barriers for children participating is that they don't have kai. So what we have started is we are providing food for our children. We know it's healthy, we know that everybody gets an even start.
Give the chickens some water?
Children have been really enjoying that, so they're learning about what kai goes to the hay, what kai goes to the worms, and what kai goes to the compost. To reduce the amount of paper we're putting into our waste, we've bought a whole lot of face cloths, and children are using those instead of paper towels to dry their hands after they've washed them. Children help with putting them out to be cleaned, they help hang them on the line, they help to fold them and put them away. My vision for our kindergarten is that our tamariki can go away from here and they know about caring for Papatūānuku, they know how to prepare their own food, their own mara, so that they are taking that learning home. That's a big part of why we do what we do.